Hi, supernovas. What are they and why do they occur? My name is Kevin Espinoza and I'm going to be informing you about supernovas today. For my audience, I chose my friend. What's the camera? Thank you. What are they? Simply put, a supernova is the death of a star. Whenever a star reaches its end of its lifetime, it will explode and it will emit a giant burst of light. A star can go supernova in one of two ways. The first being whenever a star gains mass, it will keep gaining mass until there is a chemical ignition within it, which will cause the star to collapse, explode, and go supernova. Massive stars burn huge amounts of nuclear fuel at its core. This produces tons of energy so the center of the star gets very hot. The heat generates pressure, and the pressure created by the star's nuclear burning also keeps the star from collapsing. The second way a star could go supernova, it's by, it runs out of fuel. It cools off and the pressure will drop. Gravity's gonna win and it's gonna collapse within its own weight. Usually a very dense core is left behind whenever a star goes supernova, along with an expanding cloud of hot gas called a nebula. A supernova of a star more than about 10 times the size of our sun may leave behind the densest objects in the universe, known as black holes. A supernova can produce more energy than the sun in its entire lifetime. The explosion blasts are very large. The explosion emits very large amounts of deadly radiation into the universe. To put it into perspective, if our sun would go supernova right now, the radiation would eliminate all life on this planet and will sterilize it for further producing any sort of life within millions of years. Although supernovas are very destructive, they are also known for bringing life into existence. It produces light elements such as iron, calcium, sodium, and other heavy elements. These elements are crucial for the existence of planets and anything that has matter in the universe. Thanks to supernovas, our planet Earth has its necessary elements to be vital, to be able to produce life. Supernovas are the biggest explosion that can occur in space. There's even reports of early civilizations seeing supernovas even before the telescope was even invented in the 17th century. The oldest recording known of supernovas would be the RCW 86, which Chinese astronomers spotted in AD 185. We have learned so many things. We have learned that stars are the universe factories. Stars generate chemical elements needed to make everything in our universe. At their core, stars convert simple elements like hydrogen into heavier elements. These heavier elements, such as carbon and nitrogen, are the elements needed for life. They say a star explodes at least one star explodes every second in our universe. But to put it into perspective, in a galaxy the size of our Milky Way, a star will go supernova in about once every 50 years. In conclusion, a supernova is simply the death of a star and the birth of elements in our solar system. Thank you for your time. I'm Kevin Espinoza.